Hello and welcome back. I've had a request in one of my comments asking for me to revisit the Dreamcast venting video. Zaphod Box of Rocks asks, could you put tape over the holes you made and compare the before and after temperatures? Previously on Retro Komodo. This is all about the video I did where I defaced my precious Dreamcast in order to promote better airflow over the power supply. I did this because I'd switched out the GD-ROM for a GDEMU unit, so there was a worry the unit might overheat without the 12-volt rail being used. So here we have all the holes I made now covered in electrician's tape. Next I'm going to start up a game, let the Dreamcast cook for 5 minutes with tape over the holes, take some measurements with my FLIR thermal camera, then remove the tape. Play for another 5 minutes and then take some more measurements. Okay, time for our first measurements. So, with the tape on, it looks as though I'm getting a max temp of 25.1 degrees where hot air is pooling next to the fan. Moving to midway up the side, the highest reading peaks at 28.3 degrees. The frontmost part of the power supply, I'm getting the highest reading being 29.5 degrees. Now the tape is off, I can take some more readings, and after another 5 minutes of gameplay, we can see 24.9 degrees at the hottest point around the fan area. Towards the front of the power supply area, we get a reading of 26 degrees.
Mission 3, start!
Around the side, where cooler air should be drawn in over the power supply, there is a maximum reading of 24.4 degrees. So, what, if anything, have we found out? Well, I would say that it looks fairly obvious that we have definitely had a reduction in heat with the holes drilled in at the side. I can't tell you if this is the right place to have drilled holes, but it does certainly seem to help. So, I hope that answers your question. Okay, I think that's all for now. Bye bye!